really nice 55 T-Bird, 2 tops, 292 V8. This thing runs and drives great. It's got a black soft top, white hard top, really nice chrome wheels, radial white wall tires, beautiful chrome on this T-Bird, 3-speed with overdrive, nice paint for its age. Give a good shot of the engine there, nice and clean, runs really smooth. Power windows, power seat, 3-speed manual. Give you a good shot. Fender skirts as well. Full-size spare tire, chrome, radial tire. Old vintage 55 plate from Washington. Beautiful dash, steering wheel. Idle's real smooth, tack is working. I don't believe the clock works, but not everything works on the car. My name's Paul. You can give me a call at 206-423-5896 for the Buy It Now.